Welcome to Granada Hills Charter High School PSAT pre-administration. We will now fill out important information on the PSAT NMSQT answer sheet. As I go through these instructions, raise your hand if you have any questions. You will need to use a number 2 pencil. You may use your own pencil or raise your hand if you do not have one. Teachers, please distribute answer sheets and instruction sheets to your students now. Please read the directions in Field 1 of your answer sheet. Then fill in your full legal name, starting with your last name. If your last name is longer than the space available, fill in as many letters as will fit. Include spaces, hyphens, or apostrophes if these are part of your name. Fill in all corresponding bubbles carefully. Make sure each mark is dark and completely fills in the bubble. Please look up when you have finished. In Field 2, fill in the bubble that says Yes and enter the name and address of our school in Field 3. In Field 4, enter the school code, which is 051088. In Field 5, print and fill in your Granada ID numbers, starting with the first column to the left. If you have letters in your ID, skip them and only enter the numerals. If you don't know your ID number, raise your hand and your teacher can look it up. Fill in your current grade level in Field 6. Fill in the appropriate bubble in Field 7. In Field 8, fill in the appropriate bubble for the month when you were born. Then fill in the day and the last 2 digits of the year you were born, and fill in the appropriate bubbles. Any 2-digit fields need to start with a 0 if the number is less than 10. Please look at page 1 of your student answer sheet instructions booklet. You will need the information and instructions to complete some of the remaining questions. Take a minute or two to read the introduction about how providing your information can benefit you. Please look up when you have finished. Field 9 relates to the National Merit Scholarship Program conducted by National Merit Scholarship Corporation. It's important that you complete Field 9 so that the National Merit Scholarship Corporation can determine whether you meet the requirements to enter the scholarship program. Please refer to your student answer sheet instructions booklet for information about each question in this field. In Field 9A, fill in the Yes bubble. In Field 9B, fill in the bubble next to the year when you will complete or leave high school and enroll full-time in college. For example, 11th graders who are planning to complete high school and enter college in 2020 should select 2020. 10th graders should select the year when they will complete high school, which in most cases will be 2021. In Field 9C, fill in the bubble next to the total number of academic years it will take you to complete grades 9 through 12. For example, if you spend one academic year in each grade without interruptions, you will complete high school in 4 years. Make no marks in Field 9D. Before answering questions 16 and 17, please read the information in your student answer sheet instructions booklet. Field 16 asks about your racial and ethnic background. If you identify with multiple races and ethnic groups, mark all choices that apply to you. Field 17 asks about the languages you speak. Mark only one answer to each question. Please look up when you are finished. In Field 18, refer to your instructions booklet and fill in your best estimate if you do not know your exact grade point average. Please look up when you are finished. In Field 19, please indicate the highest level of education of your parents or guardians. Choose one parent or guardian in the first row and fill in the bubble that corresponds to their level of education, using the instructions in your booklet. If you have a second parent or guardian, do the same for that parent or guardian in the following row. Please look up when you are finished. In Field 20, please indicate whether you have a parent or guardian who is in the military. Read each description in your instruction booklet and fill in the bubbles of all that apply. Please look up when you are finished. Colleges, universities, and other educational programs want to know what subject area most interests you. For Field 21, the end of your instructions booklet has a list of 3-digit college major codes to select from. Indicating your interest in a major does not mean you are choosing that major now. It just lets colleges send you information about specific programs that might fit your interests. Find the college major in your booklet that interests you the most, then fill in the code number and fill in the corresponding bubbles in Field 21. When you are finished, please close your instructions booklet. Find Field 22 on page 4. Please bubble in your GHCHS school email address. Skip Field 23. This concludes the 2018-19 PSAT pre-administration at Granada Hills Charter High School. Teachers, please collect all pre-admin materials, including the homeroom attendance roster in the plastic cover, and return everything to room D4 right after the bell. Thank you. See you next Wednesday, October 10th on PSAT testing day.